But today I wanted to talk about the Cepher. The Cepher means scroll. Now, if you look in the description below this video, you'll be able to see a link that'll take you directly to the website of the Cepher. And also inside that description is a 10% discount coupon code that you can place in the checkout page at the Cepher website. Now, what the Cepher is it sets forth the original Hebrew names, okay? It translates the names of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. It doesn't substitute the names. Basically, in the 1611 King James Version, there was 81 books. With this, there's 87. And when you go to the website, you can read in detail all the descriptions about it and study it thoroughly before ordering. Basically, there is the Cepher, Bible, if you will, and there's also a lexicon. Now, what a lexicon does is it includes the pronunciation, definition, in the original Hebrew. So if you're going along, let's just say you're in Psalms 1, and you're reading, but his delight is in the Torah of YAHUAH in the second verse there, and in his Torah he meditates day and night. Maybe you come across that and you're used to the English saying God, and you're wondering what's YAHUAH. So, or how do you even say it or pronounce it? So you can look it up in alphabetical order in the lexicon, okay, and you can learn how to pronounce it the right, correct way. And also gives you the definition, because there's, the names and places, basically there's meaning in each original Hebrew term that has been degraded in the English. So basically it'll give you the definition of it and cause you to be able to pronounce it correctly. Now, a lot of the original followers in the first century never used any of the English. They really never even heard the name Jesus. They called him yahusha. So some people call him Yeshua, but in this pronunciation, it calls him yahusha. So basically, a lot of bad rap has been given, like the sacred name movement, and to me, it is a sacred name, because those that call upon my name shall be saved. If you don't even know his name, basically, you just want to call him an original title that the English gave him, which, if you study all that details out, didn't really come about until centuries later from the original followers. Okay, so basically, there's a package deal that if you go to the original, to the Cepher website, and you go to the top of the page there, shop, and go to package deals. And when that loads, you'll be able to scroll down and look for the lexicon package deal. So understand that the Cepher by itself is $95. The lexicon by itself is $35. That comes to $130. So with the $122, you're saving $8. Plus, with the 10% discount code in the description of this video, you're saving another $12.20, which brings it down to, like a little bit under $109. So, and that includes free shipping with FedEx. So basically, when you go to that, you choose that, it'll take you to be able to add the cart. So you'll add the cart. Then you'll click checkout. When you click checkout, Then it'll take you to this page here, and it'll give you the total, the subtotal. You'll have to fill out your first, last name, email. How'd you hear about us? You can just put other. You put in your phone number. You probably won't have a company name. You can put in the shipping information separately. First name, last name, address, state, country code, postal code, and then the free shipping is for FedEx Ground. So you have a choice to do FedEx Express or FedEx Ground. The free shipping is FedEx Ground, so choose that. And then you'll come to enter the coupon code. The coupon code is all one word, JEFFDIONNE. That's Jeff Dion. Okay. So then you're going to click next when you put that in. So basically it's going to go to the next page. It's going to show you the item total. It's going to show you the shipping is $16.84. The coupon value is minus $12.20, and then the coupon value you get free shipping is minus $16.84. So the total is going to be $109.80. Okay, and then you're going to place your card number in here, your name, and all that information. Then you're going to click Verify Card, and then it's going to take you to the completion. Okay, now understand that there's a lot of different things you can shop on here. There's different books. Let me show you some other books here. You can use that discount code as many times as you want. You can also pass it among friends or family. I actually bought the Cepher and the lexicon and every book that they offer for all my family members. My brother, my sister, and my mother. You know, I spent a lot of money on this because that's how much I believe in it. Because once I saw the truth of it, it really it blessed me. So like when you click on shop and other books, you can go through here and there's a collection library. You can read through, click on each one of these, and there's a lot of neat things in there. I mean, if you're a deep studier, oh my gosh, you'll never be the same again. And you'll sit there and think, I wish I could stop time so I can study all this. But anyways, I hope that helps. Don't forget the link to the description in this website. For this website, and also the coupon code JEFFDIONNE, which is all one word, and also share this with other people, and you might want to just add this to your library, and maybe buy one for your friend and family member, because that's what I did. And understand that I am an affiliate with the Cepher.net website, and I do earn a small commission, 10%. So basically, you're saving 10%, and I'm earning 10%. And what that does is that pays for hosting and the website name that I use to promote this, and pretty much helps the Cepher grow, because there's only so many in circulation, and the goal. And you can't just go down to the local Christian bookstore and grab one of these, because there's a lot of things censored in the world, and this is pretty much one of them. Because when the truth comes out, they don't like the truth coming out. So you might want to just get deep into this and understand it and fall in love with it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sharing. Please like this video. Please share it on your timeline. Please share it with other people. Please subscribe. Thank you very much, and you have a very blessed day. Bye-bye.